Azerbaijan is a weird, fascinating country located on the border between Asia and Europe. Azerbaijan has one of those cultures which is particularly difficult to define, as it is a Caucasian country with a large Turkish and Iranian influence that used to be part of the Soviet Union. So the end result is such a strange mix of opposed cultures that leave the travelers very confused. Azerbaijan, a country of 10 million, is rarely on any traveler's radar, but this so-called land of fire has a ton of surprises for those who dare to step out of their comfort zones to visit Azerbaijan. Like its people, the food of Azerbaijan is a real blend of cultures and flavors, with influences from all over the region from Turkey to Russia, Iran, and even Greece. Azerbaijan has good transportation services, especially in the main cities. The capital, Baku, is the only city in Azerbaijan with a metro service. Stations, metros, and facilities are clean and safe, with metros running every 2 to 3 minutes. Bus service in the country is very strong with a good network of bus routes within the main cities, between cities, and to some international destinations. The train goes from Baku to some cities and some international destinations. However, it doesn't follow the main tourist trail, so tourists have to rely on bus cars. There and other local and international taxi services available there, and it is not difficult to find a taxi there in most of the cities.